Hi there, and welcome to the third module where I'm gonna be showing you how you can get literally any channel monetized. How you can reach the 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So for those who don't know, if you want to get your channel monetized and sell it for more money, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you in this module. So as I said, you can either sell non-monetized channels or monetized channels. Non-monetized channels, you can build them in like 30 days or less and then sell them for a few $100 or even $1,000 each. And monetized channels, you can build them in like 60 days but then sell them for a few $1,000s. So they are definitely way more expensive. Now in this specific module, it's gonna be a very important module. So in this specific module, I'm gonna show you 3 different proven strategies to get any channel monetized. So first strategy is gonna be how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time with only one video on your channel. The strategy number 2 is gonna be how you can get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers with the help of our private Facebook group, which I'm gonna show you, which I'm gonna give you access in some of the next modules. And the third lecture is going to be how you can get your channel monetized with one unique strategy that I'm sure you haven't seen before. So that's going to be a really important video. And then the last lecture is going to be how you can actually pass the review, because once you do reach 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, your channel will automatically go for a review. YouTube will need to review your channel to see if you qualify for getting for monetization. If you qualify to get approved for AdSense monetization, if they can run ads on your video on your channel. And so some people, when they submit their channels, normally they wait for like a month or 2 months. Some of them may wait like 6 months or 12 months, but I'm going to show you how you can pass the review in like 7 days or less. And that's how long it takes me to monetize my channels, to get approved from my channels. It literally takes me like 2 to 3 days, sometimes even less than that. So I'm going to show that. The last lecture of this module is also going to be really important. So without further ado, let's jump into the first one.